Alright, chat, today we're going fishing. I mean, we already here fishing, but you know, today we're going fishing. This is the loadout. Of course, I don't got too much resources, but we all know doesn't matter what you use, it matters how you use it. Oh man, all this pollen. Alright, there we go, chat. We're gonna see how it goes. It's a little windy outside, but it doesn't matter. There's all these weeds. Bro, chat, look. All them weeds on it. Really got me thinking I gotta fish. But reality, you don't gotta fish. All you got is weeds. We're gonna see what else. It's a little windy outside. I don't know if the fish gonna eat. Dang it, chat. See, I ain't no pro fisher, but dang it. Alright, see, chat, we go. Chat. We got our first fish, chat. Look. That's just sad. Let's see what else. You hear that, chat? The bird's laughing at me. Chat, I think it's time to relocate. Because I don't know about this spot. I think it's time to relocate, but really. Because I don't feel like spending more than 5 minutes. I don't know. Here's another good spot. All right, Chad, we don't relocate it. We're gonna see how it goes. And my camera doesn't fall to the lake. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but Chad, we caught a fish. We caught a fish, but it's something that I don't eat. We catching to eat right now. I don't got my gloves with me. Oh shoot. But so we gonna throw them out. See, Chad, I'm not a professional fisher. I don't know. Look, it's a pipe fish. Oh, look how big it is. Smells like fish. But yes, chat, y'all can see the fish. That's a fish, chat. I'm finna throw it back in the water because I don't eat these fishes. Y'all gonna see me throwing it back in the water. Watch it fly back. Hold on. There it goes.